Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. The weather was beautiful out, so I hope you guys got the chance to get outside and get some fresh air. We are on our 6th week of digital learning. I can't believe it is week 6 already, but you guys are doing a wonderful job, so keep up the great work. Okay, so let's get started with our Monday's assignment. So for Monday, we will continue to stay with Brazil's Snake Island passage, and you are going to complete your final activity with this passage. Notice that I am already at our calendar page. And by now, you guys should know how to sign on to the portal, how to get to all of your teachers' classes and calendars, so I'm not going to spend too much time on that. However, I would like to go through Monday, April 27th assignment. So here we are at our calendar, and if you haven't seen it by now, I hope that you guys love this picture that your 7th grade teachers put together. We love you so much. We miss you guys. I think it's a fantastic picture. It says, OMS 7th graders rock. We miss you and hope you and your family are well. Keep up the great work. Love, your 7th grade teachers. It is such a great picture. I absolutely love it. And we truly do miss you guys. We miss seeing you guys in school. And you just know that we are here for you if you need anything. All right, so this is just my first slide for this week. Let's look at our Monday slide. So here's our Monday slide. And notice that we are going to be working with a couple different learning targets for Monday because we have a skills quiz today. And the skills quiz, don't worry about it. It is about Snake Island. So what I'm going to do is, it just says, today we will finish up our Snake Island passage. You will watch a video and review a variety of skills and concepts that will be assessed on your skills quiz. So keep in mind that this is a skills quiz and it will be a quiz grade. Let's go ahead and click on second period and go ahead and take us over to our second period Google Classroom assignment, okay? So notice that we are here. This is for Monday, April 27th. We have our learning targets. I'm going to blow this up a little bit so we can see it and read it. We have our learning targets right here. I can cite significant and relevant textual evidence to support a complete analysis of what the text says explicitly. I can analyze and evaluate 2 or more central ideas and the development of each over the course of the text. I can provide an in-depth objective summary of the text, and I can analyze how ideas influence individuals or events and evaluate the interaction and relationships between them. Last week, you spent a great deal of time reading, analyzing, and evaluating the passage, Brazil's Snake Island, Legend Meets Science. Last Monday, you analyzed the passage in order to identify explicit information. On Tuesday of last week, you read a passage in order to cite textual evidence to support ideas. On Wednesday, you identified the central or main ideas of the passage and its specific subsections. And finally, on Thursday, you navigated through a Nearpod lesson to better understand objective nonfiction in order to produce your own objective summary. So we're going to take all those skills and you're going to show how awesome you are at them, and you are going to complete this skills quiz today. So today, Monday, April 27th, we will finish up with our Snake Island passage. You will take a quiz that assesses all of the skills and concepts we covered over the last week. First, you will watch a video to review a variety of skills and concepts that will be assessed on the skills quiz. And then here are our step-by-step instructions for Monday's assignment. You're going to first watch the Monday, April 27th instructional video to review all the skills needed to be successful on your Snake Island quiz. A big shout out to Miss Vian again for putting this together for all of us. If you haven't noticed by now, all of your language arts teachers are awesome. We love and miss you guys, and we're all doing our job and our part to help you, whether you are a student of a teacher putting together a video or not. We're all trying to do this to help you and just assist you in any way that we can. All right, step 2 for Monday. You will take the Snake Island skills quiz. Okay, you will complete the 15-question Snake Island skills quiz. Click on the Google form titled Snake Island Skills Quiz. A link for the Snake Island passage can be found in the Google form, but I also included it on here. You may refer back to the passage as many times as needed. And in fact, I suggest that you have the passage open while taking the quiz. Just like if we were taking a quiz or test in school, you always have the passage in front of you. So it's definitely a smart move if you have that in front of you. The passage link is in the Google form, and there's also a link for audio and read aloud. Okay, so I have everything you need right here. This will be a quiz grade. Make sure you understand that this will be a quiz grade. Okay, your Snake Island skills quiz is due by the end of Monday, April 27th. If you have any questions, please call me. And just know that if you don't like your grade for the skills quiz, you can take it again, just like we have been doing. But first, let me show you. We have our instructional video. So Miss Vianne put this together, okay? So you guys can go ahead and watch that. It's all about the concepts and skills that we have worked on over the last week. Once you're done with that, you can open the Snake Island passage right here. Remember, it is in a view only for you, so you technically don't need to request access for it. So you can have that open as well. And then you have your Snake Island skills quiz. You would click on that. Here are the directions for the Snake Island skills quiz. It just says, after you have read Brazil's Snake Island Legend Meets Science, answer the 15 multiple choice questions, read each question carefully, and select the best answer option. Please refer back to the text if needed. Notice, students, that I have put a copy of the passage right here, and I highly suggest that you refer back to it as many times as possible and as many times as needed. And I also have a link for a read aloud. So if you just click on this, the read aloud, it's just an audio, but it will open up. You would just click right here on this little arrow button, and you'll be able to listen to the questions being read aloud. All of the questions are recorded on that same audio, so you can pause it and answer your questions as is. Here are your questions, okay? Just scroll through them. There are 15 of these. And then when you're done, make sure you click submit. Okay, also question number 1, has 2 answer choices that you can choose, okay? All right, so remember, if we go back to our course schedule, okay, here are our assignments for Monday. Here's our 3rd period link. I just want to show you that it is ready to go as well. Same thing as 2nd period. And here's our 4th period link. That is live and ready to go as well. Everything is here for you. I also would like to show you one more thing in our calendar slides. So here's Monday, and then I also included the Snake Island skills review video right here as well. So it is in our Google assignment, but it is also in our calendar slides. Okay, and that was just a quick little tour of our assignments for Monday, April 27th, 2020. We are going to be finishing up with the Snake Island passage and completing a skills quiz. If you have any questions, guys, please reach out to me. You can call me, you can text me, you can email me. I hope you guys are doing really well, and I miss you so much.